Hello class 2nd students, I hope you are at home and safe. This is your science book. We will start with your first chapter. Your first chapter is, this is your first chapter, plants around us. You have to repeat every sentence after me. Normally, all plants are associated with green color. Repeat this word, associated. ASSOCIATED. Associated means to make connection. When we talk about any plant, we always say that this plant is green. So plants are always associated with green color. Thus we use the term greenery. I will repeat this word, greenery, and GREENERY, greenery, commonly for plants. Plants gives us fresh air, food and wood for various purposes. So what plants gives us? Plants gives us fresh air, food, what we eat, vegetables, pulses we get from plants, and wood. Wood also we get from plants. Plants are found in different shapes and sizes. Some plants are small and some are big. Big plants usually, repeat this word, usually, USUALLY, usually grow high. Some plants are weak and some are strong. Almost all green plants prepare their own food. So every plant is different in shape and size. Some plants are big, some are small, some are short and some are tall. So big plants usually grow high. Usually means हमेशा जो बड़े plants होते हैं वो लंबे होते हैं. जो वो जब ग्रो करते हैं तो वो लंबे हो जाते हैं, grow high. Usually means हमेशा. Some plants are weak and some are strong. कुछ plants weak होते हैं, some are strong. Almost all green plants prepare their own food. Prepare means make. What green plants do? They prepare their food by their own. वो हमेशा अपना खाना खुद बनाते हैं. Let's see next topic, types of plants. Plants. How many types of plants are there? There are trees. Repeat this word, thorny plants. THORNY, thorny plants. Thorny means plants with कांटे वाले plants. They are called thorny plants. Then there are creepers, climbers. Repeat this word, climbers. CLIMBERS, climbers. Shrubs and herbs. Now start. First type of plants are trees. Trees are tall plants with woody trunks. Repeat this word, trunks. TRUNKS, trunks. Trees are strong. Most of the trees have branches. Some trees bear flowers and fruits. Some trees may not. The roots of trees penetrate deep into the soil. Trees can live for years. Example, mango tree, peepal tree, banyan tree and pine tree. So, trees are tall plants with woody trunks. What are trees? They are tall plants, लंबे होते हैं, with trunks, woody trunks. This is called trunk. Trees are strong. They are very strong. Most of the trees have branches. What trees have branches? This is called branches. You can see different, they are going in different directions. They are called branches. Some trees bear flowers and fruits. Some trees have flowers also and fruits also. Some trees may not. और कुछ trees के पास नहीं होते flowers और fruits. The roots of trees penetrate deep into the soil. Penetrate means under the soil. जो roots होती हैं वो कहाँ होती हैं trees की? Under the soil. Soil के अंदर. Trees can live for years. They can live for years. And these are examples. You can see here. Let's enjoy the juicy mangoes. So what is this? You all know what is this? This is called mango, and mango is a fruit. And what are these? See, what are these? These are leaves. And these are, what are these? I have told you, these are branches. This is our trunk. This is soil, and this is roots. Roots are under the soil. Now next topic is shrubs. Shrubs have, you have to repeat after me, shrubs have thin and woody stems. They have many branches, so they look bushy. Repeat this word, bushy. B-U-S-H-Y, bushy. Most shrubs live for years. For example, rose, hibiscus. Repeat this word, hibiscus. H-I-B-I-S-C-U-S, hibiscus, sunflower and cotton. So these are shrubs. Shrubs कैसे होते हैं? They are thin. Thin means पतले and woody. Woody stems. They have many branches. Branches means they are going from where leaves are coming. This is called branches. And they look bushy. Bushes means घने लगते हैं, like this. Or most shrubs live for years. The shrubs live for years. So this is rose, this is hibiscus, this is sunflower, and this is cotton. That's it for today. Read it thoroughly and learn what is fruit, what is branch, and what is leaves and trunk. We will discuss in next class. Thank you. Stay home.